Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Mitsubishi Pajero Evolution, and this is by Hotwheels, and this is from their Mudstuds series, and this is a 2023 edition. So let's open and see how it looks. Okay, here it is. So the Pajero Evolution is the most sought after Pajeros out there. It has great value. I mean, I'm talking about the real Pajero. So I really love this bearing wheels. I call them as a ball bearing wheels. It looks like a ball bearing. Hope you guys can see the interior here at least a little bit. It's a bit hard to show the interior in a video, that too on a Hot Wheels. It's a tinted window, so I can't able to show it to you guys very clearly, but at least a little bit. Let's see how it rolls. It rolls pretty nice. It's not too fast, or it's not too heavy or stuck. It's good. And that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up. If you love my video, subscribe. And it would be great help if you guys subscribe and support me, so consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.